Hey, what up, it's Dom, and in this video we're going to be checking out the JBL Flip Essential. JBL is a brand that I really like. I've had many of their products in the past. My current computer speakers are the JBL Quantum Duos, highly recommended speakers. And the link to that video is going to be above here somewhere about now, as well as under the description of this video. I also use this is quite an older speaker now. Several versions have been released since this particular one is a bit dusty. But this is the Jbl Xtreme. It's an epic speaker, highly recommended. Yeah. But this is something more for, well, when I'm out and about, travel and that type of stuff, to use out in the garden. So yeah, obviously it's Bluetooth. It states 10-hour battery life. Yeah, 10 hours of playtime, IPX7 waterproof. And yeah, I love that, there to listen. Box is pretty basic. Nothing really on it, to be honest. Now, how do I open this? There's so many ways. Right. I hope it doesn't just fall out when I do that. Come on. I think I'm getting somewhere. Nothing else in there. So, inside you got a Never box. So that's what I didn't want to do, but good catch on the other hand. So yeah, that's obviously the speaker. You get something like that. I'm not sure what that is. We'll check it out soon. Obviously you get a Obviously you get a cable. Unfortunately, it's not a USB-C. It's a micro USB. And that's glued. That's just about it. You don't get anything else in the box. So, so that's the speaker. I must admit, I did actually used to work in an electronics store which sold, back then it was the original Flip. And I must admit I was expecting it to be a darker shade, but it's still a pretty nice color. It's not a big problem. It looks, well, feels very sturdy, to be fair. You've got a aux input there, and you've got your micro USB there. You've got a battery indicator there. You've got a power button there. Bluetooth plus and minus. Not sure what that is. The JBL logo and the Harman logo are just everywhere on this thing. It's nice to see one of these straps. So let's put that to the side for the time being. And let's check out what this is. I would imagine it's the paperwork. It certainly is the paperwork. You got nothing else inside of here. Not sure what this thing is, just probably to keep the speaker safe. It's a shame there's no case, but then again, not many of these things actually include the case. So you got a few books. So you got it says a warranty card, but I beg to differ. This is actually a book, warranty book. It's got a book with a massive exclamation mark. I'm not sure what that is. And you get your quick start guide. So it says, warning, to ensure the Flip Essential is waterproof, please remove all cable connections and firmly close the cap. Well, obviously. Right. Let's have a look at the sound. Hopefully it's charged. I'm going to attempt to connect it to my computer, so I'm going to turn these speakers off. Now, Obviously, I've already heard a major difference compared to the Extreme, but that's like comparing to two different types of products entirely. It's well, basically, it's like comparing, I don't know, a bicycle to a aeroplane. Two different things. Obviously, this is designed for portability. It's designed to be small and, well, to carry around wherever you go. And this bad boy, what the heck was that? Oh, and this bad boy is designed more of a home speaker, although it does have a battery, so you can take it with you. But I don't know about you, but I wouldn't be carrying something like this around. It's pretty heavy, actually. Yeah, so for the first test, I'm just going to play one of my videos. This will test the vocals. Now, to get a better experience of the sound, I highly recommend listening to them on a good quality pair of headphones. Obviously, you won't get the true feel of that, but it will be better than anything. Sound, they're ultra compact and lightweight. You got 20 hours playtime, 5 of which is on a single charge. IPX7 sweat resistant, Bluetooth 5 one-step pairing. According to the box, obviously you get the headphones inside, you get a charging case, you got a extra small, medium and large ear tips. Yeah, so overall the speaker is pretty amazing. Sound quality wise, I would give it an 8 out of 10. And the reason for that is that it does sound a bit tinny compared to other speakers at that price range. However, the speaker is small and the sound is still pretty good. Design, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love the fact that you can see the speakers sort of move around. I'm not sure if that's the technical term for it, but that all looks pretty cool. I love the simplistic, minimalist design on it. And yeah, overall, I think it's a great speaker. I would highly recommend it.